The anticipation surrounding the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is reaching a fever pitch as we approach its expected unveiling in September 2025. After skipping a new Ultra model in 2024, Apple is poised to return with its most powerful and feature-rich smartwatch yet. Tech enthusiasts, athletes, adventurers, and Apple loyalists alike are eagerly watching the horizon. With promising upgrades across performance, display, health features, and connectivity, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be a defining device in the wearable tech landscape. Following a year-long hiatus, Apple is reviving its flagship rugged smartwatch line with the Ultra 3, a device that embodies resilience, precision, and advanced intelligence. The launch is expected to coincide with the annual September keynote, which will also debut the iPhone 17, Apple Watch Series 11, and the Apple Watch SE 3. With these simultaneous releases, Apple is set to reinforce its dominance in the smartwatch sector. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 stands at the apex of Apple's wearable offerings, boasting enhancements in hardware, software, and AI-driven experiences. As the demand for high-performance smartwatches intensifies, especially among outdoor enthusiasts and fitness professionals, Apple is fine-tuning its premium offering to deliver unmatched durability, intelligent health tracking, and seamless ecosystem integration. Reliable sources suggest that Apple is aiming to keep the starting price at $799, consistent with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This pricing approach underlines Apple's commitment to providing premium functionality without dramatic price hikes. Despite adding next-generation features, Apple is choosing value over margin increases, likely to maintain a competitive edge against rivals such as Garmin Fenix 8, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, and the Suunto Vertical. The pricing strategy positions the Ultra 3 as an attractive option for both high-end buyers and dedicated Apple ecosystem users who seek innovation without breaking the bank. While early leaks hinted at micro-LED display technology, known for its ultra-bright output and energy efficiency, recent reports suggest Apple will instead utilize a refined LTPO3 OLED display. This third-generation low-temperature polycrystalline oxide panel will offer up to 40% improved brightness for sunlight readability, deeper blacks and higher contrast for better legibility, superior battery